So, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, classmates. Good afternoon, ma'am. So, our topic was we are the group 2, and our topic was all about the economic growth and natural environment. So, macroeconomics is a branch of economics that focuses on the behavior and performance of the economy as a whole. So, the main objectives of the macroeconomics is to understand, analyze, and the influence of economic growth, um, price stability, full employment, balance of payment stability, and income distribution. So, the method used in the macroeconomics to achieve these objectives includes the macro economics model, the data analysis, and policy tools and forecasting. So, economic growth is usually defined as a rise in real gross domestic product, or the GDP, or the overtime. So, economic growth refers to an increase in the production and consumption of the goods and services within an economy over the specific period or specific time. So that is usually it is recorded uh, annually. So the economic growth is measured by the increase in the country's gross domestic product, or the GDP. So which is the total value of all the goods and services produced within the country borders. So the sources of the GDP can be categorized into four main components. So one is the consumption of expenditure. It is represent the total spending by the household of the goods and services. So, for example, the goods that is covered with expenditure, consumption expenditure in the household is uh, uh, the goods is, for example, the food, the clothing, um, uh, and all the necessities that is needed in the household, or in the house. So that is covered with the consumption expenditure. When we say services, so it is include the electricity consumption, the water consumption, the internet access consumption. So that is one of the and all the those services that connected with uh, the individual's life. So that is the um, consumption expenditure in the household. So number two is the investment expenditure. So this is including the business investment. So say for example the machineries that are using in the that are using in the company to in a business investment. So equipments, then buildings and other capital goods. So that is belong to the investment expenditure. So the third one is the government spending comprises expenditure by the government. So this is include the public infrastructure. So we know that when we say a public infrastructure, that is included uh, with the with the schools, uh, hospitals, um, airports. So that is all of that is the uh, infrastructure is uh, covered with the government spending comprises expenditure. So Another is the net export or the import. So when we say export, refers to the goods and services that is purchased domestically and sold it into the foreign markets or the foreign countries, that can be generates revenue for the country. So that is benefits with our country. So import, so when we say import, the goods and services that are purchased or that comes from the other countries or the foreign countries. So imported here in the Philippines. So say for example, we are the importer of we are the importer of the gas. So that is imported here in the Philippines, the gasoline. So which is used for the used for transportation. So um if the gas if there is an inflation of the gas, so there is a possibility that all of the goods is rises value. So there is an inflation of the all the goods. So because of the inflation of the gas, so it's maybe possible that the transportations, because one of the causes is uh, the fuel. So the fuel, if the fuel is in the higher uh, prices in the market, so there is a possibility that inflation will be rise. So when we say depletion, so depletion, if the gas is depleted, so if the gas is depleted, so uh, also the goods is in the low pricing. So one of the big impact is the prices of um, the prices of the fuel. So real GDP adjusted the price changes to provide more accurate of economic output. So and that is the end of my topic, and that would be all. Thank you.